Hi everyone, today we'll take a closer look at one of the key concepts without which it's hard to imagine a modern and safe approach to transfer pricing, the DEMPE analysis. First things first, what does DEMPE actually mean? DEMPE refers to the development, improvement, maintenance, protection, and exploitation of intangible assets. The DEMPE analysis is a tool that helps identify which entities in a group actually perform the key functions connected with intangibles, such as trademarks, patents, technologies, or know-how. In practice, it's about checking who really creates and develops the intangible assets, who bears the cost of maintaining them, who is responsible for legal protection, and who actually uses them in day-to-day business. Only then can we fairly determine which entity should be compensated for the use of a given right. Why is this so important? According to the OECD guidelines, the profits should be allocated to the entity that bears the risks and performs the actual functions, rather than one that merely holds the paper confirming ownership. Let's take an example. One entity is the formal owner of the trademark, but it doesn't invest in its development, doesn't provide legal protection, doesn't carry out marketing. Meanwhile, another entity in the group runs advertising campaigns, conducts market research, and ensures the protection of the trademark against infringements. In this case, it is the second entity that should have the right to part of the income from the exploitation of the trademark. And that's exactly what the DEMPE analysis helps to demonstrate. This approach focuses not on legal form, but on economic substance of the transaction. And this brings us to transfer pricing policy. DEMPE is not just a technical analysis, it is a foundation for creating a good, transparent transfer pricing policy within a group. Within a group, you should have clear rules on how to reward individual entities. For example, for developing a trademark, protecting it, or conducting technological research. What's more, a well-prepared DEMPE analysis is a powerful defense tool in case of a tax audit. So, if your group has transactions involving trademarks, know-how, licenses, databases, or patents, it's worth thinking about DEMPE analysis now. It can protect your company from accusations of being non-arm's length and also help establish transparent relationships within the group. Thanks for watching. If you found this topic interesting, leave us a comment or contact us directly. See you in the next episode.